So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's look is this bomb look I created for you guys. Yeah, I've used products that I've used before. There's no new product that I've used. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So first things first, I'm gonna use that Maybelline concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelids to prep my lids for eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take that damp beauty blender and dab it all over my eyelids to blend out the concealer. Then I'll take that Juvia's Place palette, take that dark brown shade, and using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to pat the eyeshadow all over the eyelid. Then I'll take that Huda Beauty palette, take that orange at the top of the palette, and I'm going to be using it in a transition shade and also to blend out the edges of the dark brown shade that I had applied before. Then I'll go back with the same concealer and I'm going to be using it to cut the crease. And for today, I'm going to be using this flat brush, and the cut crease we are doing today is a 3/4 cut crease. As you do your cut crease, always remember to take your time and to have a steady hand as you do so, since at this step there's no room for error. A simple mistake can ruin the whole eye look. With the remaining concealer on the brush, tap it on the cut crease part. Then I go with this palette and I'm going to take that dark brown shade at the top, and I'm going to be using it to blend out the edges of the cut crease. This is a very important step to make sure your eye look has smooth transitions. Then I'll go back with the same palette and I'm going to take that peach shade and the other maroony shade, and I'm going to tap it in on the cut crease part. As you do this, always remember, do not drag the product, tap it in. Take your time as you do it. You can always go back to your palette and take some more product and tap it in. Then I'm going to use this Huda Beauty lash glue. It's a fake one I bought from Dubois. It's a clear lash glue, so it's the best for this. I'm going to be applying it at the lining of at the edge of the cut crease. I'm going to be applying glitters, so this glue will work as an adhesive for the glitters. Then we'll go back to the palette, take that light blue glitters, and we're going to tap them on the place where we applied the glue. For those who have glittered liners, actually they are much simpler to use since you don't have to go through the whole process of applying glue and stuff like that. Yeah, glitter liners are much better, but since we don't have, we're gonna use glitters themselves. Then I'm gonna take this Huda Cosmetics eyeliner and I'm gonna be using it to create my wing liner. Then I'm gonna take my lashes. These lashes I bought them from Kilimall some time back. It is a set of 7 pairs of lashes, and they are so nice. They are mink, they're dramatic, and they are so reusable and washable. So they are really nice. Then I'm gonna take these two primers. The other one I bought it from Miniso. This one I bought it from Miniso. It's a Hydra makeup base, and the other one it's Maybelline New York face primer, and I bought it from Jumia. For this first makeup base, it has some shimmer on it, so it makes your skin glow. Then I'm going to take Maybelline foundation, the shade 350. This foundation seems too yellow for me, but we're going to use the concealer and the whole look is going to come out good. So there goes the concealer, and I'm going to be applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. Using the same damp beauty blender, I'm going to press in the concealer into my skin. Always remember, not to drag your product, tap it in. Then with the remaining product on my sponge, I'm gonna blend out the rest of the face to have a flawless foundation look. Then I'm going to take Beauty Creations powder and Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm gonna be pressing it into my skin. I stopped baking my face. For me, the final product after baking wasn't that flawless, so I changed, and nowadays I just press in the powders. Always remember, do not drag your product, tap it into your skin to avoid smudging. Tap it in. Then I'm going to take this dark black eyeliner and apply it on my waterline. Then I'll go back with the same palette and I will take that turquoise shade and apply it to my waterline to bring in some color on my face and to also blend out the black eyeliner that I had initially applied. Then I'll take this mascara and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lashes. We're going back with the same palette that I had used before and take that dark brown shade at the top, and I'm going to be using it as a contour to contour my cheekbones and my nose. I'll be using this fluffy powder brush and for this step. Then I'll take this angled brush and I'm gonna use it to contour my nose. I'll go back with the brush that I had used on my face to press the powder, and
I'll use it to blend out the nose area since it seems too harsh. Then I'll use that spray bottle. The content in the spray bottle is rose water. I use rose water to set my face since it does the same job as setting spray, and setting spray, some of them are really expensive. Then we're gonna take this Huda Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Girl Power. Yep. Then we're going to use this Usha's highlighter, and I'm going to use it to highlight the high points of my face. That is my nose, my cheekbones, my chin, and my forehead, and also my cupid's bow. So that's it for today, you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and to leave a comment down below. Yeah, and also you can check me out on Instagram. My handle, I've written it on the description box. Yeah, so let me see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.